What's the difference between the highly rated BioBidet 1000 and the TUSHY Cloud electric bidet seat? Today, I'm reviewing them on comfort, value, and ease of use, so you can figure out which one fits your bathroom and your budget. First, let's dive into features. The BioBidet 1000 Supreme toilet seat is kind of classic in the electric bidet world. You get a 3-in-1 plastic nozzle for front and rear wash. It has adjustable water temperature and pressure, a heated seat, a warm air dryer, and even a carbon deodorizer to help with odor control. BioBidet uses a tank at the base of the seat that's filled with water and then heated. Some users have reported this means that warm water runs out often. There's also a smart power saving mode, a seat sensor, a remote control, and the nozzle self-cleans before and after every use. You also get specialty spray modes like vortex and massage. It's a solid feature package. Nothing too modern, but very functional. Now, let's look at TUSHY Cloud's features. The TUSHY Cloud brings a more modern, comfort-focused approach. This is one of TUSHY's latest electric bidet models. You get the same pressure and angle adjustment with the additional 4 thermal settings for warm water with instant and endless heating so you don't run out of warm water mid-wash like other models. I've gotta say, the instant and endless warm water is a luxurious feature, especially during the colder months. The stainless steel nozzle rinses itself with water before and after each use to guarantee a fresh spray with no cross-contamination. There's also an ergonomic heated seat with 4 heating levels, a warm air dryer with 4 different strengths, and an automatic deodorizer that runs a 3-minute carbon filter cycle when you sit down. It also has a nightlight UV sterilization on the antimicrobial nozzle and even a built-in steel mesh filter to flow healthier water to your body's most delicate skin. The attached side control panel allows you to fully customize your clean without worrying about losing the remote. Honestly, most of these features feel newer and more refined compared to the older electric bidet designs. And if you want even more features, the TUSHY Cloud Plus is the upgraded version of the TUSHY Cloud. You can check out which cloud model is right for you in this comparison video, TUSHY Cloud versus TUSHY Cloud Plus. Alright, next, comfort and compatibility. In terms of comfort, the BioBidet 1000 spray is strong but adjustable. It's not the gentlest for sensitive skin unless you dial it down a bit, but it gets the job done. Compatibility-wise, it fits most 2-piece toilets and some 1-piece units, but can look quite bulky on your toilet as it sits over 7 inches in height. The seat is on the heavier side too, weighing about 11.5 pounds, but once installed, it feels solid. The TUSHY Cloud is built for most standard elongated toilets and many modern 1-piece toilets as well. It's a much slimmer, lighter model, measuring just 4.6 inches in height and weighing only 8 pounds. The spray is one thing I noticed right away. It's been designed to feel gentle, yet efficient. Not like a laser. If you've ever had a bidet that felt like it was trying to pressure wash your soul, this is the opposite. The ergonomic heated seat is also something I noticed every time I sit down. You can tell comfortability was something they thought of when designing the contoured seat. Next, pricing. The BioBidet 1000 usually runs around $399 for the standard model. With warm water, deodorizing, and a dryer, it lands mid to high electric bidet range. It's fairly priced for the features, but it is an older model at this point. The TUSHY Cloud offers a similar feature set and actually costs slightly less at $359 on the TUSHY website. And because it includes newer comfort upgrades like UV sterilization, nightlight, and a more modern dryer, many users see it as a higher long-term value for roughly the same investment. We're also doing a new video comparing the most popular TUSHY bidet to the most popular bidet on the entire market. So hit subscribe so you don't miss that one. Looking next at ease of installation, the BioBidet 1000 is designed for DIY installation and all parts required for installation are included in the package. You'll need an outlet nearby as it requires electricity, and you'll connect it to your toilet's existing water supply with a T-valve. This model fits most standard elongated and round toilets. There is also a separate remote control that requires batteries. The TUSHY Cloud also has a very straightforward DIY install. Many users have even left reviews praising the entertaining and helpful installation guide. The cloud also requires an outlet nearby and connects to your toilet's existing water supply line. It includes all the pieces for installation, a mounting plate, and a quick start guide. The intuitive side console on the right of the seat doesn't require batteries, and the UV sterilizing nozzle means maintenance stays super low effort. If you want to see how TUSHY stacks up against common Amazon bidets, check out our comparison video, Luxe versus BioBidet versus TUSHY, next. Looking at customer service next, BioBidet typically offers a 1 to 3 year warranty depending on the retailer or if you purchase extended coverage. Their customer service is generally responsive, though experiences can vary according to reviews. TUSHY provides a 1-year warranty with options to extend it as well. What stands out with TUSHY is that they've built a reputation for being easy to reach and quick with replacements if anything goes wrong. Their customer support team is even called the Purus. Like guru, get it? It feels more personal and reliable long term, at least from what I've seen and experienced as a customer. So, which model is best for you? You'll like the BioBidet 1000 Supreme model if you want a feature-rich, powerful electric bidet with warm water, deodorizing, and solid customization. It's great for standard toilets and bathrooms that already have an outlet nearby. You'll love the TUSHY Cloud if you want a premium, spa-like bidet experience with more modern features like UV sterilization, a nightlight, and a smarter heater and warm air dryer, all while spending a little less. It's perfect for modern bathrooms and for anyone who values hygiene features and a softer, more comfortable spray. If you think the Cloud is the right choice for you, check the link in the description for a special discount. And if you want to see every TUSHY model compared, Aura, Wave, Oasis, Ace, Cloud, Cloud Plus, we have a full breakdown video linked below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.